Hello
everyone, I'm watching CB. Just now I listened to the audio in that here the speaker was explained about infinity. There will be there is more.
one moment. Go ahead. 87.
Good evening, Manoj. My name is Gagan. Uh, my registration number is 487. Uh, uh, at present, I listen to the audio is about the infinity. Infinity is not just a number. In the mathematics, it is the form of endlessness. Means our thoughts, if anything happen, our thoughts will go to in infinity words like what happened, how it was happened and all. So infinite. So all about the thoughts infinity. We choose one. So in by praising our thoughts in infinity, we can get one main thought. So it can go to our success. My personal opinion in that means that recently the mid examination is happened. The marks are pushed. I got so much less marks. So I question myself how I got these marks and what mistake I did. Uh, so I go through that many thoughts like infinite thoughts. So I realized that I should do hard work. Thank you.
Hi everyone, my name is Yegadi Harshal from ECE-B. My number is 490. Just now we listened the audio about and the speakers spoke many words about infinity, loop, hope, and both the subjects like mathematics and physics. And I will talk about hope. Hope is very hope is very main thing for everyone. And without hope, no one will live in this world. And hope will make a man to achieve his dreams and success. And thank you.
Good afternoon to all. I am Uday from ECE-B. So in this audio clip, he was explained the infinity. Infinity means, for example, just like mathematics and physics. In mathematics, so we take natural numbers 1, 2, 3, so infinity. So in our life, choose our plan, future planning and hope your future and prepare well and do plan your future and achieve the goals. Thank you.
Good afternoon to Ananda. I am from K. Sandeep from ECB. My registration number 498. Now, madam, play a video clip about infinity. In everyone's life, uh, set out goal and reach their achievements proper way. their share feelings about their studies and time.
Good afternoon to all. I'm Ken Srinivas from ECE-B. My registration number is 4P0. I just had a video. That video is about infinity. I understood that infinity is nothing but means it has no limit, which is like it's an idea which is forever. We use infinity in maths, physics, and philosophy, and in everywhere. The infinity in our life, infinity is, means we have multiple options to choose. If we choose any one of that, we sometimes we get negatives and sometimes we get positive.
Good afternoon, one and all, respected faculty and my dear friends. A few minutes back, I listened an audio clip, and in that audio clip, the speaker assumes that hope is infinity as a speaker's vision. And in my point of view, um, I believe infinity thoughts. Why? Because we don't have to pay any amount to thinking. That's why I chose that. And I want to say one thing: everything is easy if you're lazy. Nothing will be easy if you're lazy. So we have to think like so
You could think like
genius. Then only we can succeed in our life.
Hi everyone, I'm Kartik from ECE-B second year. My registration number is 409. Just 2 minutes before we listen to the audio clip which is according to the infinity 4. And what is infinity? Suppose we choose to do any one work and to get any decision, we thought so many things like we choose so many decisions infinity. And in that thoughts we choose only one decision and that will make success or unsuccessful. But it depends on our thoughts and in mathematics and physics we choose the infinity word we choose because of there are so many numbers in mathematics and philosophies and in mathematics so many numbers means natural numbers from 1 to infinity. So that's like we choose so many thoughts in our mind before doing any decision and before doing any work. So thank you so much.
Good afternoon, one and all. My name is Varun Tej. Few minutes ago, I have listened to an audio about infinity. In my mind, infinity. When it comes to infinity, our assumption was being high. When in our dreams will be so high. We want to become whatever in the world. In our assumption, we want to become it, but we will choose one at least. Uh, in my assumption, infinity, we can express also like our mother's love towards his children. She will sacrifice everything for her children to see their smile in his face. It can also be as infinity. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. I am Sunil from ECE-B. Just now I heard a audio about hope at infinity. In my personal opinion, infinity is not a mathematical. In real life, two types: one positive infinity and negative infinity. We take only positive infinity. And take then in positive infinity more of confidence, and we we take in infinity will take help us to boost the life and fluent and negative infinity is take doesn't take to life. They are only not success in life. We take only positive infinity, we get in more benefits in our real life. Thank you.
Good afternoon. This is Bhargav Suhas of ECE-B. Few minutes back, I have listened to the audio clip that is regarding the Infinity Hope. The author says that he thinks that Infinity Hope is saying the example on physics and mathematical. He had elaborated uh, the topics regarding mathematics and physics. He said that uh, we should uh, have a hope which is not finite. We should have different scope, and we should work on that. We should not stop on our hope. We should be continuously learning. uh, Thank you.
Good afternoon. My name is Vikshita. I'm from ECE-B. Today I listened the audio clip about hope and infinity. So infinity means so many numbers we can't count. So we have thoughts, infinite thoughts in that negative thoughts and positive thoughts. In that leader, when I listened that the leader said in subject mathematics and physical have infinity numbers and we are taken. So in our life we have infinity thoughts as positive and negative, so we can in that thoughts we can choose one thought, so it may right, may positive or it may negative, so we can choose a correct way to achieve our life.
Hi everyone, I am from ECE-B Team 2, and these are Sub Team 1 and Sub Team 2. We are here to do our we are here to do our self-reflection, paid discussion on the audio, which is about infinity. Uh, First of all, the meaning of infinity is no limits and no border, and it is compared to our life as our dreams and our hopes have no borders. Mm, this will connect to everyone's life. Sandeep, can you share any thoughts about this scenario?
Yes, yes, sir. I say about in my life, like we can achieve goals and successful in life achievement. We can take everyday plan how to achieve the goals and study for a success in life. In my personal opinion, infinity is all about endlessness. It should not be ended. If we start one thought, it will not up to one thought. It will go many thoughts. So about these thoughts, we can stay with one thought which can be implemented easily. So infinity is not about numbers only. It deals with our life also. So this is my personal opinion is, as I mentioned before, uh, previous mid examination. Uh, I got less marks. So I think how, where I did mistake. So I go very long course. So I choose one and I am studying now. Thank you.
In my personal opinion, they have many thoughts there. but I choose positive thoughts. So choose positive thoughts to set our goals and improve our skills.
In my personal opinion, when we think about anything, we have number of choices and like infinity, we get number of thoughts. In on that, some we get some negatives and some we get positive. But without hesitating, we should take any one perfect choice so we can maybe get success in it. Okay, thank you for giving this opportunity.
Good afternoon, everyone. This is Bhargav Source of ECE-B. Today we are here to discuss a peer discussion. Uh, we all combinedly we have seen an video clip. Uh, we are very enthusiastic to say about the audio we have listened. The author has said that uh, about the infinity hope. Uh, yes, Monchan, what do you think about your?
In my point of view, infinity is not just a number. It is like an endless thing. It is not a finite thing. We have infinite thoughts in our mind. We have to perform a good. We have to select a good thought and we have to perform it for our best future.
In my point of view, if we want to succeed in life, we don't have to set limits. Uh,
When you set some limits, what happens?
we don't achieve.
Discuss with your friends.
Why? Because we don't have to set finite limits. Because when we achieve a thing or a job without any deviations, that's why we have to set infinite practices and so many things.
What do you say?
Yes, Peter said that our goals should be very infinitive and high. Due to that, we can practice and we can prepare for it at infinity level, so we can achieve it easily.
Infinity in the sense, not a mathematical, is related to life. Uh, we choose one problem. In back sets, some infinity solutions. We get the truth and get it the answer. In real life also, the infinity we can help us succeed. We can choice in correct way. Infinity. Please can you listen?
So infinity is a higher number. In our life, we will have so many thoughts in infinity. So in that we will face the thoughts and solve our problems.
Okay, thank you for hearing our peer discussion.